And sabi ko di ako mag-vlog. Ito na lang ako, sabi ko di ako mag-vlog. But, you know where I am. I hope you're gonna like this video because there's another, anong tawag dito? Road trip na naman kami mag-asawa. So I do hope you're gonna like this video.
Same chain, more balls, waffle by a cold love, enjoy everything you travel to. Sex is a dream and travels wide. Life's a journey, love's our guide. Harmony, oh, with Misty. Smiles and adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way. Oh, with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way.
We're gonna try our food here in a Thai resto here at Irving, Texas. Tingnan natin. Let's see if this is good or not. After maglakad-lakad sa mall, magugutom ka. Kaya dito kami yun. Yeah. This is the aking ex-boyfriend. Kasama. Is being served. There you go. Oh my god, I cannot finish all of that.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have another set of chopsticks? Thank you.
Wow.
Could use these, I guess.
Nice. Laman na naman si
Very good.
Duday.
Thank you.
Kain mo na ako. Pagbaba na kotse, ito na. We're here at SpringHill Suites by Marriott. So, we're gonna check in on this hotel because tomorrow is my interview. We're gonna be thinking, saan ako interviewin? Hindi po work, kundi sa immigration, sa US immigration. And para hindi kami ma-late. My husband thought of checking in here at SpringHill Suites. Pakita ko sa inyo yung, I'm gonna show you their facilities. Start from here, the open sesame door. So they got the reception, and then there, that's the place. Got lots of rooms, and we choose the ground floor na room. So it's clean, it's tidy, it's neat, and they have there big gym. Ayan, ang gym nila. So yeah, exercise kayo dyan. And of course, we have the swimming pool. Ayan, yung swimming pool. So, ayan. Maybe I'm gonna sit down there. And I don't know if I can enter here. Or, I don't know. It's pool is at 11 p.m. So, you can sit down outside there. And of course, dito na yung aming room. Ayan. Wala pong mumu dyan. But, so far so good. Nice naman yung area. Ayan siya. So maliit din siya. That's nice. Ito na. Ayan. Bumukas din. This is the room. Ganda yung room. Ayun. May libre pong asawa. I got free husband inside already. And we got the table. And then, there. Just wanted to show you. It's a nice place to stay. Everything that you need is already here. Hindi kami magkagalit So, we're not fighting. That's why we have 2 beds. But, sabi nga ng asawa ko, this is one of the best deal. Yeah. Wala naman mumu. When I open this one, there's no bulaga, no mumu in there. So, and there's the window and parking. There's another closet.
Sunshine mornings, laughter
Yeah.
bright, love and
There
joy,
you go.
everything feels right. Texas
Of
dreams,
course.
travels wide.
Tingnan natin ang
Life's a journey,
bathroom.
love's our guide, homily.
There's Duday.
With
Duday.
smiles, adventures come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way.
But still, alam ako makompare talaga ako eh. Not like all those hotels na pinag-check-in namin is really maarte. So, yeah, but ayan, an outfit for today po ni Duday. At may trash can. So nice. It's really hindi ko pala. I haven't clicked the record button. So, but anyway, people, thank you so much for watching. And of course, and a short sharing, a short vlog for everybody that you can check out if you're in Dallas, Texas, and you're in Irving, within Irving area. This is kind of like a real good place that you can stay the whole night with your loved one. Not love twice, not love thrice, only love one. Yeah, for those who still wanted to be a member of this channel, just hit the join button and you're gonna get the 100 bananas that I'm giving away for new Duday. So everybody, just be a better person today than yesterday, because Dee is a happy wife with a happy life. Until the next vlog. Bye. Now we got the breakfast. Oh yeah. They have the waffle maker. They got the mix already.
Waffle?
No. I'm still looking. Checking what breakfast that I'm gonna get. Oh, that's neat. All complete.
Biscuits and gravy.
Bacon and sausages. This is what I like. There, cereals.